Hi, everyone. I am so excited to be in the new theater space. We are working hard putting the final finishing touches on everything, and we will return to indoor theater as soon as it's safe to do so. I'm going to walk around a little bit so you get a sneak peek of what's been going on in the space, and I hope that you're able to see it in person sooner than later. Live Theater Workshop has received federal, state, and city grant funding that is keeping us going strong. Our artists and staff are working furiously to create online classes and content and virtual shows, and we're so excited for the opportunity to stay engaged that way. Mostly, I'm so grateful to all of you for the generous outpouring of support over these many months. You're keeping us working, you're keeping artists creating, and you are ensuring that we return to this new gorgeous space with more theater opportunities, more classes, and more connections to kids and schools than ever before. Thank you. We are planning a return to indoor theater in June with small audiences, and we are also planning a 21-22 fall season that'll begin in the late fall. We're very excited for that, but of course we have plans and backup plans because we want to ensure that we are flexible and nimble, and we certainly learn to be creative problem solvers in a better way than we ever have before. We know you guys have done the same, and we're so grateful for your flexibility and your kindness and your generosity over these past months. Thank you so much. We miss you tons. We can't wait to see you, and we have a lot of time to make up for, so get ready. See you soon.